Good. Yes. Go get it. Good. I would say, yeah, you got to be careful over here. I wouldn't come over here. There you go. I know. Oh, I did, yes. I will get it. I could get it. I will get it. I got it. I got it. Very good. Oh, it's slimy. It's slimy. Are you playing? Are you watching? Oh. We gotta go over here. I got it. I don't mind if they play around the car, just not through the gates. That's all. Yeah. I was like, well, no, I think he thought he could get around the car, and I was like, no, the gate's open right now. Yeah. Yeah, you can totally go around the car and play, not a problem. Well, she was just barking earlier, that's why I came out. I'm like, I'm going to use this as a distraction, no problem. Ready? Haha. Ready? I got it. I got it. I got it. Ivy, where'd you go? I have it. She said, I'm looking for it. I'm looking for it. Whoa! Shh, quiet. Good. Ivy, come. Yes. Good, Ivy. Uh-oh. Ready? You'll get down? See, that's not as fun as the ball, though. I prefer to have the ball. I prefer the ball. I got it. I got it. Can you sit? Good. Wait. Good. Sit and wait. Good. Sit and wait. Wait. Ready? Whoops. Missed. Turn. Sit. Wait. Good. Come here. Turn. Sit. Wait. Yes, there you go. That was okay. I like her checking it out. Atta girl. Ready? Ready? Go get it. Atta girl.